So you want to know if it's possible to make $30, $40 per hour doing gig work in the gig economy in 2025? You came to the right place. I'm going to be discussing exactly that. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Mr. Hustle here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out working Sunday night. I just had a good 2-hour stretch dinner shift that I want to go over with you guys. I ended up making $80 in 2 hours. That's how we do it. That's how we close out the weekend. I'm waiting on a $13 order on my way home now. So I'm going to take that on the way home. We're not going to cover that though. So how I made $40 per hour for my dinner shift. I'm going to let y'all know. The apps I used were Shipt and Uber Eats. So I was at my house. Um, it was busy today, so I was able to get a bonus pay order on Shipt, on time bonus pay. So as long as you deliver it within the delivery window, you get a bonus. They offered a $9 bonus for this order. So I took it. I put all the information on the screen. I was able to get a Uber Eats order from Target as well. So I added that to my trip. I created my own bundle. So I had the Shipt order. I think that ended up paying over 20 bucks. I'll put the final numbers on the screen. Hopefully the customer tips before I release the video. So I got the Shipt for over 20 bucks. I got the Uber for 10 bucks, one item. It was just a charging cable. And then I got an add-on for $8 from Emma's Pizza right next to Target. So it was perfect. All the orders were under 5 miles away. So I dropped off both of the Ubers, and then I dropped off the Shipt order all within an hour, 40 bucks. And I just had to do two orders from Target, 15 items, and pick up the pizza place order. That was pretty quick and easy. All in all, probably about 10 miles, 40 bucks, 1 hour. Perfect. So you got to be smart and you got to be motivated. You got to know your area, know how to multi-app, know how to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. So you don't got Shipt, that's okay. I didn't do Shipt the second hour. I still made 40 bucks. So I was very selective. I waited for a good order. I seen one $18, 30 minutes. Uber Eats, about 8 miles. So I took that, and then on the way to the restaurant, I got an add-on for another $11, 8 minutes, 1 mile. Perfect. So that brought it up to 29 for 3 orders. Took care of those 3 in 40 minutes, and then I got a $13 6-mile order, Uber Eats. Took care of that in 20 minutes to get to the $40 for the hour, and that's just Uber Eats. I did 2 trips, 4 deliveries. Now, how did I do that? You got to be smart. You got to be patient. You got to know the right areas. So it's raining a little bit today, so I took advantage of that. I knew there were less drivers, so I was extra patient to get a good order. The orders were coming in constantly, so I was constantly declining them, which does get annoying, but just be patient. Hold on for them good orders. All right, so it definitely is possible to make good money in the gig economy in 2025 as long as you have the right strategy, you work in the right areas, and the right times. Make sure you're trying Saturday, Sunday night. Those are probably the 2 busiest times. Friday night too. Um, yeah, you definitely want to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday night. That's when I'm able to make $30, $40 per hour pretty easily and consistently. Yeah, if you like this video, if you have any comments, let me know down below. Please drop a like if you did like it. Let me know how you've been doing. Do you still have these $30 per hour, $40 per hour hours, or $40 per hour shifts? Are you still able to do that? I hope so. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to give y'all advice. I want y'all to succeed. But yeah, you just gotta be smart, have the right strategy, and be motivated. That's it. I took the time to learn my market, learn the apps as well, and take advantage of the opportunities when they present themselves. Stay ready, you don't gotta get ready. That's it for me. Hope y'all doing good. Take care. See y'all on the next one. It says $9 for 18 miles. Wow.